Welcome to Afifa Cuisine. Today we're making juicy and flavorful chicken patty or burgers, perfect for homemade chicken burgers. To prepare the mixture, take 500 grams minced chicken, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon crushed chili, and 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons breadcrumbs and 1 egg to help bind the mixture. Mix everything well until smooth and combined. Now shape the mixture into round, flat burger patties. You can fry or bake them. For frying, heat 2-3 tablespoons oil in a pan and cook each patty on medium heat for 4-5 minutes per side until golden and fully cooked. For baking, place the patties on a lined tray and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 18-20 minutes, flipping once halfway. Your soft, juicy chicken patty are now ready. Assemble your burger with buns, lettuce, tomato, cheese slices, mayo, and your fresh homemade patty burger. Enjoy a delicious homemade chicken burger anytime. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Afifa Cuisine for more tasty recipes.